There's like a little thing. This is where the heat is, oil heat. Hi, Ma.
Never run with knives.
Okay.
Looks like it's a little over a quarter of the way full right now, but that's basically how you know. Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. And
did you get my email with the utility?
I did. That was useful. Thank you.
Yeah, I mean my utilities are pretty low.
Yeah, that didn't seem very much.
Yeah, and the electric, like, it's like $60, except for in the winter when the heat's on, it can go up to like 100, and the same in the summer if the air is running all the time. But other than that, it's pretty low. So.
Good work.
Cover it up with the picture.